Hello guys, this is Gingineer. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, magsasagot tayo ng 10 items from arithmetic sequence na topic, no? So start na tayo kaagad. So question number 1, what is the 8th term of the sequence? 2, 5, 8, 11, then dot dot dot. Ayan. So bibilangin lang natin yung numbers natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, so apat na, no? So ano naman yung pangwalo? Well, pwede lang siyang mano-mano na since malapit lang naman. Pero ituturo ko sa inyo yung solution niya using the arithmetic sequence formula. Ayan, so formula natin for arithmetic sequence, that is AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Ayan. So AN, depende kung anong term yung hinahanap natin. Kung A1 naman, so may nakasulat na 1 dyan, yung subscript is 1, ibig sabihin, siya si first term or siya to, yung nauna sa sequence natin. Okay? And yung n naman, siya yung number of terms. So bibilangin lang natin kung ilang terms yung nasa sequence natin. And d naman, siya yung difference. Ayan. So since 8 term yung hinahanap natin, palitan lang natin ng A8 itong formula natin. So A8 is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ayan. So A1 natin yung first term which is 2 plus n natin, number of terms, since 8 term yung hinahanap, so 8 din yung number of terms. So 8 minus 1 times yung difference. So makikita naman natin dito kung ilan yung difference nila. So arithmetic sequence, pare-pareho lang yung difference nila. Okay? So dito is plus 3, di ba? Ayan. So 3 yung difference. So ayusin lang natin, 2 plus 8 minus 1, that is 7 times 3. Ayan. So 2 plus 7 times 3 is 21. So A8 natin is 23. So letter C. Question number 2, find the 15th term of the sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, dot, dot, dot. So, pareho lang naman yung formula natin. Since 15th term na yung hinahanap, so A15 na. So, A15 is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So, A1 natin, first term, that is 4, plus how many terms? 15th term yung hinahanap, ibig sabihin 15 na terms. Minus 1 lang, and yung difference nila, so that is plus 5. Okay? So 5 ito. So ayusin lang natin. 4 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times 5. Ayan. So 14 times 5, ilan yan? 14 times 5, 20, carry 2, 70. So 4 plus 70. So, ang A15 natin or the 15th term of the sequence is 74. Okay? So, letter C. Question number 3, what is the first term of an arithmetic sequence if the common difference is 6 and the fifth term is 29? Okay, so nabaliktad guys yung tanong. Given na ngayon yung fifth term natin and yung common difference. Ngayon ang hinahanap is yung first term na. Okay, so same formula pa rin naman. So AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So AN natin, siya si A5. So A5 is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So A5 natin given, which is si 29. So 29 is equal to A1, siya yung hinahanap, plus N natin is still, since fifth term yan, so 5. 5 terms lahat. Okay? Minus 1 times yung difference given, which is 6. So ayusin lang natin, 29 is equal to A1 plus 5 minus 4 or 5 minus 1, that is 4 times 6. So mangyayari, 29 is equal to A1 plus 6 times 4 is 24. So, yung 24 guys, ilipat lang natin sa kabila, magiging 29 minus 24. Magiging minus na siya. Okay? So, final answer natin dito, first term natin is 5. So, letter C. Okay, question number 4. What is the sum of the first 30 even numbers? So, yung mga even numbers natin, guys, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, no? Hanggang maka 30 terms ka. So, hindi natin pwedeng manumanuhin kasi mahaba. Uubusan tayo ng oras. Okay? So, gagamitin na lang natin yung formula natin for the first even numbers, that is n times n plus 1. So, yung n natin, siya si 30. So, 30 times 30 plus 1. So, parang minultiply mo lang siya sa kasunod niya na number. So, 30 times 31. Okay? So, isolve natin. 30 times 31. 1 times 30 is 30. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. So, pag inad natin yan, so 0, 3, 930. Final answer natin. Okay? So, letter B. Okay, so question number 5 tayo. What is the sum of the first 20 odd numbers? So, odd numbers naman tayo. So, meron tayong formula dito for odd numbers. So, before that, yung mga odd numbers natin, sila yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Ayan. So, meron tayong formula for the first odd numbers, that is n squared. Yung n natin is si 20. So, 20 squared, or para minultiply lang natin sa sarili niya. So, 20 times 20, guys, that is 400. Diba? Madali lang. So, letter C. Question number 6. What is the sum of all integers from 20 to 50? Ayan. So, ito total natin, guys, yung sum ng 20, 21, 22 hanggang 50. So, meron tayong formula dyan, no? So, sum is equal to n over 2 times first term plus last term. Ayan. So, yung n, guys, yung number of terms. So, kailangan nating bilangin ilan ba yung terms from 20 to 50. Ayan. So, kung manuin mo yan, guys, okay lang naman. Pero may formula tayo dyan. So, that is the last number minus the first number, and then mag plus 1 lang tayo dito. Okay? So, 50 minus 20, that is 30 plus 1. So, 31 terms, guys. So, ilagay natin dito, 31 over 2, first term, that is 20, plus yung last term natin, siya si 50. Okay? So, magiging 31 over 2 times 70. So, pwede na natin kagad i-divide si 70 divided by 2. So, magiging 1 to, magiging 35 to. So, parang 31 times 35 na lang siya. Okay, so isolve natin. 35 times 31. So, 1 times 35 is 35. 3 times 5, 15. Carry 1. 3 times 3 plus 1, that is 10. So, 5, 8, 0, 1. Ayan. So, 1,085 yung sum ng integers natin from 20 to 50. So, letter B tayo. Question number 7. The first term of an arithmetic sequence is 7. And the common difference is 5. What is the 30th term? Okay. So, gagamitin naman natin yung formula natin. AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Ayan. So, given, guys, or unknown is yung 30th term. So, magiging A30 to. So, A30 is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So, A1 natin, first term, that is given naman, which is 7, plus number of terms. Ilan yung number of terms? 30 to, kaya 30 lang din. So, 30 minus 1 times yung difference given naman, which is 5. Ayan. So, ayusin natin to. 7 plus 30 minus 1, that is 29 times 5. So, unahin na natin to. 29 times 5. So, that is, yan. So, 5 times 9, 45, carry 4. So, 100, wait lang, 145. Ayan. So, 7 plus 145. So, ang 30th term natin, A30, that is 152. So, letter C tayo. Question number 8. How many terms are there in the arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 99. Okay, so same formula pa rin. Formula for arithmetic, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So an natin yung pinakamalaking number or yung last term natin which is si 99. Yung a1 natin, yung first term natin si 3 plus yung n siya yung hinahanap. So still n pa rin. Minus 1 times yung difference. So anong difference ng 3 and 7 and 7 and 11? So pare-pareho naman silang plus 4. Okay? So that is 4. So ayusin lang natin, 99 is equal to 3 plus, distribute natin to, 4 times n, that is 4n. 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4. Okay. So lahat ng may variable n, may iwan sa right side, yung mga constant, ililipat natin sa left side. So 99, may ililipat, si 3 magiging minus 3, si minus 4 magiging plus 4, and yung naiwan na 4n. Okay? So 99 minus 3 plus 4, that is 100, is equal to 4n. Then divide natin both side ng 4, makakancel si 4, n na lang yung matitira. So 100 divided by 4 guys, that is 25. So sagot natin dito is letter B. Question number 9, the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 12 and the 15th term is 48. What is the common difference? Okay, so ang hinahanap naman natin ngayon, si variable d or yung common difference. Yan. So given guys yung third term natin which is si a3. Given din yung 15th term natin which is si a5. Okay, so gawin natin yung formula. A3 is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So, pareho lang sila. A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Okay. So, plug in natin yung mga values. So, si A3, ang value niya is si 12. Yan. Pero mas maganda guys, baliktarin natin. Unahin natin si A15 kasi mas malaki siya. Para mas madali yung pag-solve natin mamaya. So, A15 muna, that is 48. A1 natin, hindi natin alam kasi hindi given. So, still A1 pa rin. Plus, yung N natin, malalaman na natin. Kasi, sabi ko nga, kung pang ilang term man yan, yun na din yung number of terms natin. So, since A15 ito, ayan, so A15 si 48, so, ang number of terms natin is 15. Then, minus 1 times yung common difference na variable D. Ayan, so, dito naman, so, third term or A3, that is 12, is equal to A1 plus, so since third term, so 3 itong number of terms natin. Minus 1 times D. Ayan, so i-simplify natin guys. Ayusin lang natin. So, first equation, 48 is equal to A1 plus 14. Okay? So, 14D. Ayan. Yung second equation naman, 12 is equal to A1 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2D. Ayan. So, kahit wala namang parenthesis yan. So, ang gagawin natin guys is ima-minus natin. Bakit? Para makancel ngayon itong si A1. Parang matirang variable na lang is si D or yung common difference. Okay? So, 48 minus 12, that is 36, is equal to A1 minus A1, cancel na yan. Plus 14 minus 2D. So, that is 12D na lang. Okay? And divide na lang natin to both side ng 12. Makakancel si 12. D na lang ngayon yung matitira. So, 36 divided by 12, that is 3. So, common difference guys is 3 or letter B. Question number 10. What is the sum of all even numbers from 2 to 100. Ayan. So, all even numbers daw. So, 'di ba meron tayong formula for the first even numbers which is yung n times n plus 1. So, yun lang din guys yung gagamitin natin dito, no? Kasi kung mapapansin niyo yung even numbers kasi guys, lagtaw-lagtaw yan ng isa, 'di ba? So, sa number natin na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yung mga even numbers. 2, 4, tsaka 6. Okay? So, nalalagtawan yan ng isa. Yung mga nalalagtawan, sila naman yung mga odd numbers natin. Okay? So, ang first even number natin is 2. And dito kasi, aabot tayo ng 100. 100. So, ibig sabihin guys, ilan yung number of terms natin kung may nalalagtawan na isa? Okay, so that is 50, di ba? Kasi sa 100, 50 na odd numbers, 50 na even numbers. So, gamitin lang natin yan. Ang n natin dito is 50. So, 50 times 50 plus 1. So, 50 times 51 na lang. Okay? So, isolve natin yan. 50 times 51. So, 1 times 50 is 50. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. So, add natin to. 0, 5, 5, 2. So, final answer natin guys, 2550 or letter C. Ayun lang guys, doon nagtatapos yung ating 10 items problem under arithmetic sequence, no? So, sana natuto kayo. And kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ganitong content, so follow nyo ako sa mga channel ko and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Yun lang.